So now let's bring in some guides right here. So to do that, I'm going to go to the view menu and enable the rulers, and then I'm going to go around, click and drag around some guides right here. Let me just click and drag this around, click and drag this around, just like this. So once this is done, I'm going to go around over here onto the edit, onto preferences, and here you can see that guides and grids is an option. Once you go around over here you can see that you can go around, choose different colors for the guides, and then that particular color will be applied right here, just like this. You can go around over here, choose a color from over here as well, or you can go around onto custom right here, just like this, and choose a color from over here as well, and that particular color will be applied to the guides. You can also change the style of the guides right here. So right now it is lines, as you can see right here, but you can go around and change it to dash lines as well if you want a more dotted outlook. And that is how you can go around, change out the guides according to how you want, and choose the color of the guides according to how you want as well. And that is how you can work around with the guide settings inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.